Hi everyone, again Victoria is here in front of you, my audience, and here I again come with an amazing and very awesome platform, guys. So I hope you are doing very well. Before starting the further amazing review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So, guys, let's start the review now. Welcome to Q Star AI, guys. Here is another interesting platform on and only my channel Crypto Victoria, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You can easily join here. And I have to say something that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. So, guys, here we talk about our ecosystem, our products, our tokenomics, all about our roadmaps, and all of the exchanges like Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko, and we have to list it at there, and all of our socials boards, how you can play and how you can earn. So, guys, here we have to talk about artificial general intelligence (AGI), and here is I'm talking about the our launch is basically in November 2023 CTO. So Qt Star token launched in November 2023 CTO, and now new leaders in January 2024 is leading, and this is a groundbreaking community driven project that fused viral appeals of memes with transformative power of artificial general intelligence. And we have to build on, guys, basically on Ethereum blockchain, and this is a Q-Star cultivates of a vibrant ecosystem of unique utilities, services, and their tokenomics, all designed to empower and engage its users. And why Q-Star is born? Basically, it is born from the cause of Sam Altman's that's firing. Rumors of powerful new intelligence begins to spread. That's intelligence was Q-Star. Rumors to buy artificial intelligence exceeding like in math, problem solving, reasoning, planning. The first true form of AGI is Q-Star League, and this is our CEO Sam Altman that's open for AI was briefly fired, and speculation continued to grow mid rumors of Q-Star's capabilities, and also that Elon Musk joins this conversation and he tweets about Q5, and here is almost all about fatal for the AGI. And now here I will tell you about our brief review of Q-Star. Here is a basically community driven project, guys, and here I am talking about unique combinations that creates two dynamic ecosystems. What are our basic key features? Community driven samples of innovation, trust, unique unities and services also are a boost economics. So guys, this is the from meme to utility Q star has its all. Here you can see that, and this is the story of Q-Star where you can check out, read out all about Q-Star, why, what is the basic story of this, and these are the all of our YouTube tutorials where you can see that. And here is our ecosystem that is comprehensive and community driven project where you can see that. And guys, here is all of our where you can play our robots. Here you can start this AI robot, all bots, few links. There are a lot, much more, guys. You can check out. This is our tokenomics. Here you can see that 0% buy sale tax, and launch date is 22 November 2023. This is the total circular supply. Burn is 4%, and Uniswap V2 liquidity here you can see. And all of the links of Etherscan, Coin Market Cap, Coin Next Tool Docs are is each and everything is available here. How you have to buy? So guys, you have to simply click here, and this is our exclusive roadmap, which is we have to divide it into different stages, guys. Here you can see meet our teams. This is the hard working team that's working on Q Star, and they all were working and very brilliant, hard working. And these are the all of our social links where you have to join, where you have to follow for our further latest updations. And why these are the all of Q Stars articles where you can read about more about Q Stars like on Amazon or on others platform. So you have to subscribe here and you have to join our Telegram channel. Here you have to also join our portal, our boot where you can play game. And guys, this is our coin Geco review. Here you can see that our bluish graph and current price of Q star where you can get a lot of profits. So this is our coin market cap review. Here you can see our bluish, very bluish graph, and your price. Here you can see that its price is increases, and soon it will be completely bluish. And here you can check out our total market cap, our volume, and all of our reviews here. And guys, this is our as tell you about that, basically we are on Ethereum blockchain, and here you can check out all of our graphs. And here is our completely bluish graph, our market cap, liquidity, holders, and each and everything is in front of you, guys. You have to check out this, and you have to must join, you have to invite your family and friends at this awesome platform. So guys, this is our Twitter account where you have to follow, like, comment and retweet Q star the Dawn of AGI. Here you are all, this is our official contract address which you have to copy when you are buying, and you have to must check out this, you are copy the exact same address. So it's on to you guys. You have to like here, you have to join here, you have to invite your family and friends here, you can enjoy, you can earn a lot of profit. So see you next video. Thanks for watching guys.